Students of class 4, today let's see the question answers of chapter 5 Kaleidoscope. Now comprehension 1, number B, true or false. Question number 1. The question reads, the emperor wanted people to invent the most beautiful thing. The most beautiful thing. So it is false, because the emperor had told or asked the people to invent the most useful, some useful things. So that's why here it's given beautiful thing, so it's false. Number 2, the emperor announced a price of 350 chocolate biscuits. So that too is false, because it was announced 3,500 chocolate biscuits. Third one, the emperor thought the kaleidoscope was a telescope. That is true. Initially the emperor thought that it was a telescope. Number 4, if you want to be amazed and say ooh and ah, then you look into a telescope. That's true, because one gets excited and amazed, so then those sounds are uttered. The winning invention was number 356. So this is false, because 356 number was actually that of a lady who came with a pencil that could sharpen itself. Only after that came the kaleidoscope, and the emperor was the judge who declared kaleidoscope as the winner among the invention. So that's why number 5 is false. Now question number C in comprehension 1 series. Answer the questions. How many years did the emperor give people to invent a useful thing? So the emperor gave 10 years. Oh, there are 2 times years written, so one of them you should cancel. The emperor gave 10 years to the people to invent a useful thing. Number 2, name 2 inventions that the people made. Explain how they were useful. 2 inventions that the people made were, number 1, windscreen wipers for spectacles, which could wipe the glasses of the spectacles during rains. Number 2, a pencil which could sharpen itself. Now let's see the next. Here we are with the other questions. What is a kaleidoscope useful for? That is the next question. Question number 3. What is a kaleidoscope useful for? A kaleidoscope is useful for amusement and recreation. One can see colorful changing patterns inside a kaleidoscope and get amused and excited. Comprehension 2. Answer the questions. Number 1. Which invention do you find the most useful and why? So answer. Among all the inventions mentioned in the passage, I found the pencil that could sharpen itself the most useful. Such a pencil will be of great help to the students, mainly the students of primary level who cannot sharpen their pencils by themselves. Question number 2. Do you think the kaleidoscope deserved the prize over all the other inventions? Answer. No, I don't think the kaleidoscope deserved the prize over other inventions, because there were other inventions which had better uses than a kaleidoscope. So that's all. You take it down in your notebooks and learn them. Thank you.